Hey yo, it's Chriso. What I'm doing here is I've just put a primer on the wall. All I'm doing is the toilet wall. This is like in the toilet, and this wall, it has the toilet and the cistern against it. These bloody things, they're a pain. Anyway, I'll work around it. I'm gonna do that tile, that feature tile, just on that wall. The rest is just a skirting, one tile high, and I think they want a bit of a strip on the floor because they're not here yet, and I'll ask them what they want when they get here, but I think they want it like this. So I'll zap that wall, zap this wall. By then the owners will be here, and I'll just check with them what they want on the floor. The old subway tile. What I've done is found my centre line. I'm using a 6mm notch trowel. It's Monday. I've had a brilliant weekend. My wife and I, Tina, we've put up Christmas lights out the front. So it's all sparkly and beautiful. And it's just our way of giving thanks, actually, you know, for another good year. I've had a, oh, now look, I've gone over my centre line. What was it? 590. Too busy talking. No biggie. Let's just find a centre line. 590, which is there. That line is actually 2 tiles high. I haven't scraped my floor. No biggie. It'll all work out well. $240 is $120. I'll come back to you shortly. I need a texture just to mark my tile. I just got a small thing of crosses this morning at the hardware. It's going to be a hot day, about 29 today. That's not bad. I could come up just a little tittle, but that's all good. So that's pretty close to level. I would be half a mil out. I haven't got my wedges, but I'll wedge it up in a sec. So now I'll do the vertical. Move that along, move that along. Whoop. Right, we're laughing. So what I've done here, people, is first thing first, you put your primer on. I'm going up to, like the owner hasn't done the sill yet, so he can bring it out flush with my tile. So wherever I come, that's where I'll sort that out in a minute, what height I'm going to. Yeah, easy. So what I've done is my primer first. I'm using a wall and floor glue. I don't have to use my mastic. I'm not hanging from the top, I'm just going up, so it's supported all the time, the same as I did the feature wall next door in the bathroom. So I'll set up my cutter, zap some cuts in, and I'll come back to you shortly. This is Chris O. Lean on in, people. We're off for a ride. This is just the beginning. You will learn heaps. Subscribe to my channel and learn how to tile. See ya. Bye.